Chinese retailer has beat out Amazon as the most popular shopping app in the United States. What? You wanted me to say the word usurps? I'm not going to do it. I may have just done it.
Yeah.
I wasn't going to do it without being forced like you just did by highlighting it.
I haven't seen that word in a while.
Yeah. I know. I tried to avoid it. This is an app, a site called, I'm going to say, I think it's Shein. I think that's what it is. And this, okay, first of all, it's important to know, you get a headline like that. You're like, what? How can this thing be bigger than Amazon? I don't even know about it. It's not necessarily bigger than Amazon. It just, they beat it on the download charts recently, which never happens. And I get it. Everybody already has the Amazon app installed. So you're like, it's definitely not bigger. Okay, fine. But it's picking up steam because Amazon is no longer the top shopping app in the US. Chinese retailer Shein has taken the top spot in the country on both Android and iOS. This app is topping the charts across multiple nations. Now, apparently, this company controls the supply down to the sales. They can run all kinds of crazy promos because they make the product, they list the product, promote the product, they shoot the images with the models. It's like a whole culture. It's a whole thing.
So this is mainly for clothing.
Correct.
Okay.
Clothing, shoes, bags, jewelry, accessories, etc., etc. And it looks like there's some types of different promos. Shein X introducing our May designer lineup. Get the details. Dude, I don't know. People are buying this stuff. Or are they? Are they just, I don't know what's going on. I'm sure somebody has heard of it. Obviously, we're not the target market for such a thing. It took the top spot as the U.S. most installed shopping app on May 11th. It continues to hold that position at the time of writing this article on Android Authority. Globally, it sits at the top of at least 14 nations' app charts. 17th most popular app overall in the United States. I guess check it out. I don't know. Oh, you want to buy pet stuff?
You got my attention with the pets.
You can buy pet stuff over there.
Sure.
I think it's about the deals, Will.
Deals.
Don't you? I think it's like a price point thing where it's really affordable. Mm-hmm. You look at the price you're seeing right there in Canadian dollars. This is like $4 item over there.
And the quality is consistent.
Oh, I don't know anything about the quality. You can't ask me. I didn't buy any of this.
I guess overall, because they control everything, right?
That's the word.
Right.
All the margin goes to them. So there's savings to be passed on to you.
This? Oh.
I think it's a toy. Yeah, they chew on it.
Oh, cool.
But it's $5.
Yeah, very cheap.
It's kind of wild, actually, how cheap it is. That shirt over there is $3. The Daisy print pet shirt. How's it $3?
Look at that.
How can they give you that for $3? I don't even understand. Can you go to the clothing? Just go to you can go to men so we don't feel like a bunch of weirdos. Go to men. At the top, very top. There you go. What's going on here? Up to 80% off. Okay, shop. Talking about 80% off. So how much for the flower shirt? $18. $18 for the flower shirt. And you get, and I earn. You're not impressed by that price. It has 6 reviews.
No, I think something more basic. If it's like $18,
well,
I'll give it a shot.
You're gonna find things over here, dude. You're gonna find things.
Is this a Z or an N?
It's a Z. It's like a flipped New Balance logo. How much for the short shorts? $18. So
I mean, that's not bad.
I actually got a story about short shorts that we have to get to. But anyway, I don't know. This is the hottest app. What can I tell you? I don't know.